So in this video, we're going to take a quick look at GPT-4. So if you're on 3.5, which it'll say right up here, you can click on your name or your account down below. And if you're not set up with GPT-4, there'll be an option to either join the waitlist or just sign up for a premium account. It depends on where OpenAI is at this point, but you can set it up over here. Then once you have the paid account, you can click up here and you can click on GPT-4. And so some of the things you'll see in GPT-4 is you have this Explore button. And if you click on the Explore button, you'll see you have access to already used GPTs, right? So by ChatGPT, and more are going to be coming out. So you have plenty of these GPTs here. And GPTs are basically sort of single-use cases for using ChatGPT. So this is one that I created, and it's just an English-Portuguese translator. And we can click into it, and you can see the original prompt is, please provide your text to translate. And it says this in both English and in Portuguese. And so I can say, please provide your text to translate. And what it does is it automatically types it in. So I no longer need to go to where in regular ChatGPT I would say, please translate the following into Portuguese. Here I literally just type in the text and it'll automatically translate it. And it goes both ways. So if I copy this and I paste it back in, and you'll also notice that GPT-4 is a little bit slower than GPT-3. See, and here you every so often you'll run into some issues with it. So you can say, translate this. So this might need I need to, yeah, okay. So this happens. So this means I need to do some editing. So let's look in the back end of this, and we can go to edit GPT, and you can see here in the configure section, the name is English Portuguese Translator. I could add a short description if I'd like, but here is really the core of it. The instructions I say, if I give you English text, translate it to Portuguese, and I put Rio de Janeiro because I don't want Portuguese. And if I give you Portuguese, also Rio de Janeiro, translate it to English. If I give you a question, translate it, do not just answer it. So I think outside of the example I gave, it should be fine, but we can do another one. My phone is yellow, right? And so you have this preview window here, and if I made any edits here, I can hit save and it'll edit. So you have that option. So that's basically it for GPTs in ChatGPT-4. And I've come up with a couple of others. So this one is a cover letter writer. So if I provide a job description, so let's just say we go into LinkedIn and I go to jobs, and I'm just going to click on any one. So if I take this and I copy all of it and I paste it in, right, and it says, please provide the job description. That was the prompt that I gave it to prompt me. And you'll see here, it'll take all of this information as well as my resume, which I've uploaded. And again, it takes a drop longer, but it'll now write out a custom cover letter just for this job description. I'd like it only to be one paragraph, and I'm still working out the details for how to have that happen. But in the interim, you can still work with it like you would work with a regular ChatGPT 3.5 or 4. So I can say something like shorter, right? And this isn't bad, but if I wanted to make it shorter, I could. All right, and it pulls the name of the person who this is addressing. And as with anything with AI, ChatGPT, etc., you should always go through this and check the output, right? So it's saying I want to apply for this job at this company. That's all accurate. It's saying some of the things that I've done, like led operational transformations, integrated AI solutions. I just want to make sure it's not saying anything that I haven't done or any incorrect information. So that's it for this one.